Hello. I did not record today at all because I didn't do anything, so I didn't find a point to record. But right now, sorry, we are doing a little bonfire outside. I'll show you guys. This is our little bonfire, huh?
Is that sleeping?
I don't think so. I think he's like talking on the phone. Something like that. That's our bonfire. Ha ha ha. We have our food over here. Hi.
Really?
Shut up.
My turn.
Can't really see it. But yeah, that's our food.
You guys didn't bring me a chair?
My brother's just turning off the bonfire. Now we're just gonna go have a movie night. Yay! Hello. A couple hours ago we just came back from working out. We just did a leg day and we ran the mile, and I just got done taking a shower. It is 11:36 and again I'm gonna go to my aunt's house to practice because the day is already this Saturday, so we're gonna go to her house again to practice for 15. And as you can see, I'm ready. I don't know if you can. It's a lot. Yeah, so yeah, that's my look. It's not the best, but this is like the 5th time I record this. It's recording. Anyways, I haven't been vlogging for like the past 3 days, I think, because I haven't been doing anything at all. It's basically the same thing over and over again. Just wake up in the morning and go work out and then come back home, and then the rest of the day do nothing. That's basically all, unless you guys want to watch me watch TV or wash dishes, I don't know. But yeah, like I said, I live in a small town and there's not really much to do here, but I will find interesting things. But yeah, I found a pointless recording like the 3 days because, like I said, I don't do anything. And yesterday, since I went to my aunt's house, we basically did the same thing that I vlogged like a couple days ago. It's basically Sunday, I think it was Sunday. But yeah, it's basically the same thing. Now I'm just rambling, but yeah, I'll get better at it, I promise. Making my way downtown over here. Chile molcajete. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Everything rides on tonight, even if